Hi friends, let me show you this POYOLEE mechanic belt that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a nice black leather belt. It has no buckle. You adjust it with this metal pin here. So it goes like this, okay? And then you put it in whichever hole you feel it more comfortable, okay? So this is a belt that can be used for any work environment like mechanics or painters or I don't know, whichever job you have, or just as a casual belt like I am going to. Okay, as you can see, it looks nice. It's a black leather belt and it has no buckle here. You just see the logo, and I think it's really nice. I like it very much. It comes nicely packed in this velvet bag, and if you want to use it to work, or if you just want to use it as a casual belt, I think it's a great option. I really recommend it. Thank you.